Let's jump right in. Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're tackling something every single one of us has battled, the absolute chaos of importing messy data. We're going to see how KNIME's incredibly powerful, code-free tools can literally conquer this problem. Because let's be real, if you work with data, just getting the information into your workspace often feels like half the battle, but it really doesn't have to be.
Think about your current daily routine. Are you a data analyst who spends way too much time wrestling with random Excel files, totally unformatted CSVs, and disconnected databases before you can even begin your actual analysis? If you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are definitely not alone. Data ingestion is a notorious headache, but we're going to fix that today. Okay, here's our roadmap. Number 1, we'll address the data import bottleneck. 2, we'll tame those wild Excel and CSV files. 3, we'll explore direct database connectors. 4, we'll cover the absolute best practices for loading. And 5, we'll finish by putting your data workflows on total autopilot. All right, Section 1, the data import bottleneck, overcoming the biggest hurdle in analysis. Like we just talked about, getting data into your environment is a universal choke point. But KNIME is basically your personal guide through the chaos. To really get how KNIME pulls this off, you have to understand its core building block, the node. So instead of sitting there writing custom Python or SQL scripts from scratch every single time you want to pull a data set, you use these nodes. Think of a node as a highly specialized gatekeeper. Its one and only job is to welcome in disparate data formats, translate them, and integrate them into your workflow perfectly, all through a super intuitive visual drag-and-drop interface. Moving right along to Section 2, taming Excel and CSV files, using those specialized gatekeepers. Let's see how this works with the files we literally deal with every single day. We actually have 2 main gatekeepers here, and they have very different capabilities. On one hand, you have the Excel Reader. This is your heavy lifter. It handles the really complex formats, targets specific cell ranges, and juggles multiple sheets seamlessly. On the other hand, the CSV Reader. CSVs are all about pure speed and simplicity. This node is completely optimized for massive datasets, and it tears through varying encodings and weird delimiters incredibly fast. You just have to use the right tool for the right job. Next up, Section 3, direct database connectors, querying without duplication. Because not all data lives in a flat spreadsheet. What happens when your data is locked up in a huge centralized relational database like MySQL, Postgres, or Oracle? Here's the key takeaway. You absolutely do not need to duplicate mountains of centralized data just to analyze it. No way. KNIME Sestabase connectors let you tap securely right into those relational databases. You can push complex SQL queries to filter and aggregate your data at the source, way before you ever bring it into your local workflow. It's a huge time saver. So, putting it all together, you have a complete foundational arsenal. And it's really all about matching the perfect node to the specific headache you're dealing with. You use the Excel Reader for those frequent, messy business reports. You grab the CSV Reader for high-volume transactional exports. And you spin up DB connectors when you need advanced analytics on centralized data without moving mountains. Okay, on to Section 4, best practices for loading. Moving from basic usage to mastery. We know the tools. Now let's level up those skills to get top-tier performance and memory efficiency inside your workflows. By methodically sticking to these 5 steps, you transform from a beginner into a true KNIME pro. First, always understand your source's structure before importing. Second, and I really can't stress this enough, optimize your file paths. Using relative file paths is an absolute game changer if you ever plan to share your workflow with a coworker. Third, minimize your data volume. Only pull what you actually need. Fourth, have a solid plan to handle missing values using KNIME's imputation nodes. And finally, always validate your data after it imports just to make sure everything looks right.
And that brings us to Section 5, automating your data workflows. To round out this explainer, let's pick up the pace and knock out the most common rapid-fire edge case questions analysts ask when wrangling data in KNIME.
First question, since we all know the desktop version of Excel loves to get bogged down and freeze, how does KNIME's Reader actually handle massive workbooks? The short answer is yes, it handles them beautifully. The Excel Reader node is incredibly robust. That said, you do have to keep an eye on your own machine's memory limits. If things start chugging, the pro move is to simply split those massive files into smaller chunks before you process them.
Next up, what if you only need a tiny little slice of a massive multi-terabyte Oracle database? What's the move to get just what you need? Easy. You definitely don't bring the whole database in. You just write a targeted, parameterized SQL query right inside the database connector node that filters the data conditionally at the database level, which saves you unbelievable amounts of local memory and processing time.
Okay, what about this classic formatting nightmare? Inconsistent separators across your text files. What do you do when one file uses commas and the next uses semicolons?
Well, KNIME handles this effortlessly. You just tell the CSV Reader node exactly what delimiter character to look for right in its configuration menu. Or, if you're drowning in hundreds of messy files, you can actually set up a quick pre-processing loop in KNIME to standardize all the delimiters before the main import.
Picture this really common scenario. You get an Excel file with a different tab for every single week of the year. Nobody has time to load 52 separate sheets one by one, right? The great news is you don't have to. By using simple wildcard characters in the Excel Reader settings, you can just tell the node to read every single sheet that matches a certain pattern. It pulls them all in instantly in one smooth operation. And this brings us to the holy grail for any data professional. Can we put all of this ingestion on autopilot? Absolutely. This is really where KNIME flexes its muscles. By using the workflow scheduler, setting up iteration loops, injecting dynamic flow variables, and creating event-based triggers, your entire data loading process can practically run itself. You'll barely ever have to click execute again. Before we wrap things up today, we definitely want to give a massive shout out and full credit to the assignment on Click Archive. Their resources provided the absolute foundational insights that helped us structure this explainer. So, now that you've got the keys to frictionless, completely code-free data loading across Excel, CSVs, and massive heavy-duty databases, the only question left for you is, which messy manual data workflow are you going to completely automate